Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating variables. Disconnect printers, external drives, and hubs. This rules out hardware conflicts. Once done, force advanced startup by holding Shift while clicking Restart or interrupt boot 3 times to trigger recovery. From there, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. Press Restart and pick Safe Mode. This gives you a minimal environment to troubleshoot the green screen safely, so you can test drivers and logs without third-party software interfering. Now you'll inspect drivers and repair system files, because graphics or corrupted system files often cause green screens. In Safe Mode, open Device Manager. Identify devices with warnings and roll back recent GPU or display drivers, or uninstall them for a clean reinstall. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to fix file integrity. Then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. After that, finish by restoring system settings or testing hardware. If drivers and files didn't help, run Windows Memory Diagnostic to check RAM. Faulty memory can cause green screens. Review Event Viewer and look at Minidump entries to note error codes. Those codes guide targeted fixes. If a restore point exists, do a system restore. If all else fails, reset Windows keeping your files or backup and perform a clean install. And if you get stuck, note the dump code and seek support with that precise code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.